The State Plate is an e-commerce website where we sell food products from different states of India. The ethnic food comprises of different categories from staples, spices, snacks, to mouth fresheners, jams, etc. also. So the major challenges with customer experience is that previously we were using emails as a primary mode of communication. A lot of our customers weren't happy even after the query was resolved because it was just taking too much time. When we do promotional messages or you could say whenever we want to reach out to our customers with a very big update, we used to use emails. And when you use emails, the open rate is 20%, 25%. So at the end, we lost out on very important communication to customers just because people generally don't open emails. So because of these reasons, it was very evident that we had to move to a better mode of communication. And I think in India, there's no better mode than WhatsApp. Once we moved to WhatsApp, we had to figure out the right platform. I think we realized that Interact was the best, happened to be the best, and thus the journey with Interact started. A lot of features at Interact are something that we specifically need. Right from starting from the integration that they have with Shopify, it was very seamless, very easy. Just had to download a plugin and we were all set to go. So I think the best thing about using Interact was I think one, that we could send bulk notifications to people. That was super helpful because we had to send out to 40,000 people, 50,000 people, and in one click our message was to everyone. The read rate increased almost triple or quadruple because initially we used to get almost 15-20% on an average email, the read receipt, and on WhatsApp directly it shot up to 70-80%. So I think that was super helpful. That's one. Second, I think the response rate on WhatsApp was much more than people on emails because we realized that if we sent a mail to 40,000 people, we would receive just 10 to 20 emails from customers. But on WhatsApp, it almost comes up to 700 or 800 people who reply back to us. So I think that's helpful because that way we are able to convert people to a purchase. Whatever queries are there can be resolved. So I think we saw almost our customer support team solving 1.5x the queries that they used to initially solve. Interact also brought the catalog thing live. There are two things. One, of course, the read rates have gone up with WhatsApp, but we were able to see that the abundant recovery cart almost doubled. Like initially, if 100 cards used to recover, we saw that now 200 cards were getting recovered. So I think that was also super helpful that we were able to achieve with Interact. So I think all in all, we love Interact a lot, and we have also recommended it to a lot of people. Plus, the Interact team is super helpful, always on the top of solving all our queries. So all in all, great. All the best to Interact team, and we hope that we continue this relation forever.